Hey everyone, this is Tekkas again. So today I am going to show you how you can calculate different trigonometric function in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to show in two different ways. First, the basic thing is that when you calculate sine, cosine or tangent of different angles in Microsoft Excel, the angle has to be converted to radians to calculate the actual function to calculate the sine, cosine or tangent value. Okay, so the equation I have written here to calculate the angles to radian, you can see the angle has to be multiplied by pi, which is 3.1416, and then divide by 180. So you can write this equation here to convert the angle to radian. So just select this angle, then multiply by pi, and then divide by 180. Then you can copy this equation to all other cells to get the radians for all the angles. Then calculate the sine value, and instead of selecting the angle, you are going to select the radian, which is cell B2, and press enter, and you can see it has been calculated for all the corresponding values. Okay, same thing you can do for cosine. So for cosine, you have to write the cosine function cos and then select the radians and then hit enter, and copy this equation to all the cells. For same thing you can do for tangent, and copy the radians. Okay, so as you can see, for tangent 90 and tangent 270, it's actually the value should be infinity. That's why it has given a very large value. Okay, so when you go to, so this is one method. Okay, but instead of uh, converting the angle to radians, you can directly use a radian function to calculate the sine, cosine or tangent value. Okay, so I'm going to show that to you here. Okay, so here, you for sine value calculation for different angle, you have to write the sine function, then select sin, then write radians, select the radian function, and then select the angle and close the parenthesis. So as you can see, this equation, actually the radians function is converting the angles to radians, and then the sine function is converting that radians to the actual value. Okay, so you can copy this equation to all the other cells to get the value. Same thing you can do for cosine. So write cos, then write radians and select the angles. Okay, hit enter, and you see it has been automatically uh, copied to all the other uh, cells to calculate the corresponding angles. So for tangent, write tan, then write radians and select the angles, close the parenthesis, then hit enter. Okay, so same thing happened here, like number 5 and number 11, which is 90 and 270 degree. You can see the tangent is not giving any value. That's because it should be like infinity here. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the videos and you learned how to easily calculate the sine, cosine or tangent value for different angles in Microsoft Excel. The same thing you can apply to other trigonometric functions like cosine secant, this kind of trigonometric function. Thanks everyone. Please don't forget to like, comments or subscribe, and hope you have enjoyed this video.